My name's Nathan. I work at Chesterfield Royal Hospital and I work in the improvement team doing a level 3 business admin apprenticeship. I've always had the skills to do what I've wanted to do. It's just harnessing them and learning how to harness them. And the best thing I've been able to do is in the apprenticeship is have the people around me who can show you how to harness them skills and develop the best way you can. They've helped me develop, they've helped me push, and I've managed to learn from them. And that's what's helping me develop most. So I'm starting to learn how to focus on where there needs to be an improvement, where there needs to be help. And that can catapult, because I've got them relationships in HR, senior nurses and stuff like that. And it just really helps having them relationships, and it can just catapult me to where I want to be. My career goal is to go into employment law. So I'd like to focus more on the staff side of it and be able to help staff the best way we can to make it enjoyable to come to work and have people on their side.